Hi guys, these are the top 5 safety words of a safety professional or safety officer. Ito yung mga common words na ginagamit nila sa workplace nila. Number 1 is hazard. Hazard meaning a source or situation that has a potential to cause injury or ill health. Another one is anything that has a potential to cause harm, injury, or ill health. Ano ba yung mga example ng hazards? Loose cables, open edge, sharp objects, falling objects. Napakadaming hazards sa ating workplace. Let's make some example. Those loose cables can be a trip hazards. Let's fix it before someone gets hurt. Number 2 is risk. Risk is the combination of the likelihood of an occurrence of an hazardous event and the severity of an injury or ill health that can be caused. Or yung madaling meaning natin is the combination of the likelihood or yung chances na mangyari yung insidente and the outcome or consequences as a result of the event. Ano ba yung example natin ng risk? Driving fast during heavy rains is risky. Handling sharp tools without gloves, it's a risk. Let's use it in a sentence. The risk of falling is high if the workers don't wear harness. Number 3 is incident. It's a work-related event in which an injury, ill health, or fatality occurred or could have occurred. Yung tinatawag nila na near miss. Ano ba yung mga example? A forklift collision on a barriers is an incident. Tools falling from a scaffolding. Workers who slip on a oil spill, it's a near miss. Gamitin natin sa example, every incident is a chance of a learning and prevent another incident. Another one, we must report incident to identify the root cause, provide corrective action, and prevent the occurrence. Number 4 is PPE. Alam nyo na yan, yung personal protective equipment. It's a special clothing or a gear to protect ourselves from hazards. Yung mga example, safety hard hats or yung helmet natin, safety goggles, hand gloves, face shield, mask, safety shoes. Gamitin natin sa example. Hoy, magsuot ka ng PPE. Without PPE, you are exposed to unnecessary danger. Always check your PPE before starting, guys. Number 5 is compliance. Compliance meaning it's adherence to law, regulation, international standards, procedure, or international guidelines that applicable to workplace health and safety. Ano ba example natin? Wearing a harness is a compliance to working at heights procedure. The inspection of fire extinguisher. Having a risk assessment is a compliance. Emergency procedure is a compliance. Let's use that in a sentence. Using lockout tagout is a compliance with our isolation procedure. We must maintain compliance to avoid accident and penalties. Those are the top 5 common words na ginagamit ng mga safety officer or HSE. Sana may natutunan kayo at alam nyo na kung paano gamitin yung mga words na yon. Good luck!